welcome you all to this professional day here in our shed today.
ISAFRUIT is aimed at increasing fruit consumption in Europe, and we have started out by trying to identify the barriers to fruit consumption and try to address them through research and through better knowledge.
We intend to contribute to a healthy environment and a safer fruit. And in addition to this, the technology developed should be economical, feasible for the growers.
We wanted to know about what we call the consumer preference maps for fruit. So to know which are the characteristics of fruit that have more interest for the consumers.
Instead of being a lot of dairy and a little bit of fruit, we would go for a dessert where there would be a lot of fruit and a little bit of dairy.
As an example, you have here the location for this progeny of the genes controlling, sugar. This is this type of work we are doing to locate the genes which have an interest for fruit quality.
Person, situation and products are the building blocks to explain fruit preference and choice.
When you eat fruit, you see an increase in our own antioxidant defense system. So we have a better protection. It's not antioxidant from the apple doing it, it's the apple affecting our genes to produce more defense.
The most important thing that the minimally processed fruit are as close to fresh fruit, as possible, and this is the prerequisite for full acceptance of the product.
From knowing how people perceive the products on the characteristics, you can pretty well predict whether or not they are willing to buy.
We now have new technologies available, and we know better how to combine them, to have new textures, to have improved taste, to have better snacking possibilities.
In the future, only products which are able to show the sufficient evidence for a healthy effect will be able to claim such an effect. Of course, it would be a major achievement if fruit could actually pass the test and get the claims.
We are spending a lot of time evaluating varieties about production, about fruit, about color, about agronomic part, and then we forget about what the consumers think about. And it should be part of the evaluation, and I think that's concerning all of us.
We have to be open to new technologies under the conditions that the work is done in cooperation with processors, so they will learn that the technology is safe and safe to implement into production.
The next step will be how to go into the transition of existing change into becoming more consumer-driven and innovative supply chains.